Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Filmora, and today I'll show you how to cut off some part of your video or to change the speed of the video if necessary. Okay, this is a video, and for example, there are some parts that I don't think are necessary to be so long, so I'm deciding to cut them off. I will zoom in a little bit. So the slider is at the beginning of the part I want to cut out. I'm doing left click of my mouse and moving slider to the end of the part which I want to cut off. Okay, left click of my mouse and this place is selected, so right click of my mouse and delete or ripple delete. Okay, it's done. But what if, for example, the part is too long but something has happened and I don't want to cut it totally because the information doesn't have to be lost. And so I just can change the speed of the video at this place and it will be shorter, not so long, but people will see everything what happened. Okay, so I'm doing the same, choosing the beginning of this place, the end of this place, and right click of my mouse, uniform speed. Right now it's 1 is coefficient, so speed like that is 1. If it's smaller, go to the left, it's the percentage, like 31% or 27, 24, and you can choose it by sliding or you can write it here. For example, you want it to be exactly 25%, 4 times slower. Okay, now everything happens slower, but if you want to do it faster, so it has to be more than 1. So if it's 2, it will be twice faster, 3 times faster, and so on. Okay, you see the length changed. And by the way, if you're going to do the same thing for another place, this window is still open, you're not clicking OK, it's still open and it works. So when you choose the next area, you just change the velocity, speed. Okay, but what if you want to cut off some part of video, but there is some audio part that you cannot remove, you cannot change? So for example, let's see this part. Let's see, make our layers. Okay, this part, for example, you want to remove this video part or to do it shorter, for example. Okay, so to remove you have to delete, then you will delete totally our words. I'm doing Ctrl Z, everything is back. And for uniform speed, you did it 5 times faster. Okay, click layer. You see, you cannot do it, Ctrl Z, because it will damage voiceover and it cannot work. So in this case, you just have to detach the audio from video. So I did right click of my mouse on detach audio, and now they are separately. So you can do right click on your video, choose uniform, do it shorter to increase the speed, do it shorter. Okay, and then you see where is your video. You can move your audio to stay exactly under your video. And that's it. If, for example, you did the speed too big or you need it to be too fast and you cannot put all your audio part under, so you have to move maybe these parts or to change back a little bit your speed, so you can see to be video part to be the same like audio part that has to be presented. That's it. And one more thing, you just have to be careful, because when you are changing your speed, sometimes when you are intending to increase the speed and you're moving the slider right, but the coefficient is even less than 1. So right now the length of your part is bigger than it was, so you just have to get it until 1, and then, as usually, if it's more than 1, video will get faster, if it's less than 1, it will be slower. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!